suspect sa reklamong robbery hold up. Para sa 1PH, Gary De Leon, News 5.
Sa sports, naka-strong finish ang Team Pilipinas sa 2023 Southeast Asian Games matapos makapasok sa top 5 medal standings. Nakakuha tayo ng 260 medals, kung saan 58 ang gold, 85 ang silver, at 117 ang bronze. Nangunguna sa pinakamaraming medal ang Vietnam na may 136 na gold, 108 silver at 118 bronze. Total of 359 medals. Sinundan niya ng Thailand na may 312 medals, Indonesia na may 276 medals, at Cambodia na naka 282 medals. Mamayang ATM gagawin ng closing ceremony ng 2023 SEA Games. Saludo naman sa Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Chairman Emeritus Manny V. Pangilinan sa pagkapanalo ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra Cambodia. Sa thought leaders, kasama si Kakian, sinabi ni Pangilinan na nakahinga siya ng maluwag nang malamang wagi ang Gilas sa gold medal match nila sa SEA Games. Maganda raw ang pinakitang performance ng Gilas men. Natuwa rin daw si MVP na pinatunayan ni Gilas coach Reyes na nagkamali siya tungkol sa Gilas. Matatandaan nag-tweet siya ng pagka-disappoint sa koponan nang matalo ng Cambodia sa preliminary rounds.
It's a tremendous feeling of relief and of course very happy for Gilas and for the country. And it was a huge job that Gilas did, a magnificent one, especially after the defeat from Cambodia in the first game. So kudos to them and to the coaching staff, and congratulate the Chot and send my warm regards to Coach Tim and Coach John for steering the team to this championship.